Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have XIAOMI Watch S5 and today I'm going to show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. And the Do Not Disturb mode is useful if you want to mute and unmute the notifications on your watch. Basically, if you turn it on, it will mute the notifications until you turn it off. It could be useful in some cases, like maybe when you're sleeping, maybe you're at work on some meeting or something like that, and you don't want to be disturbed by the notifications on your watch. You can enable the mode to mute them and then disable it to unmute them. And of course, I'm going to show you how to use it. So let's get started. And the first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the lower button right here to open the control panel or quick panel, and here we have a bunch of icons. One of them will be this moon icon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and if you want to enable the mode, you can simply tap on this icon, and here we have few options. As you can see, we have all day, turn on for 1 hour, turn on for 4 hours, and custom. If you select all day, it will get turned on basically, and it will stay on until you turn it off. If you select turn on for 1 hour, it will turn on, stay on for 1 hour, and then turn off automatically. Same for the 4 hours, but it will stay on for 4 hours. And the custom allows you to set up a schedule for it. So basically, you can turn on the custom option here, and if you turn it on, you can set the time on which it turns on and time on which it turns off, which could be quite useful in cases like if you want to go to sleep with your watch on your wrist. You can set up the sleep schedule for your watch basically, and it will turn on before you go to sleep and then turn off when you wake up. And you can select the repeat option, how often it should repeat, and we have only once, daily, and custom allows you to pick specific days if you have something in mind. Maybe you want the schedule to work only on Saturdays and Tuesdays. Okay. And once you enable the mode, the icon will change the color on the quick panel, and also you will see the message DND on. And that means that the mode is enabled. You can also see the icon on the watch face, which also indicates that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. So if you can check it and see it immediately, basically that the mode is enabled. And to disable the mode, you open the quick panel again, tap on the icon, you will see the message DND off. The icon will go back to be not highlighted anymore, gray color, and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And basically that's how you enable or disable this mode. You basically open the quick panel, tap on the icon, and if you want to enable it, you choose the specific mode. If you want to disable it, you just simply tap on the icon and it will turn off. Okay. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.